To begin accepting donations, you must first connect a payment processor. Click on Selling and then Payments. Connect a payment processing account like PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, or Squarespace Payments in the Store Payments panel. Once a payment processor has been connected, edit a page and select Add Block. Then click Donation Block. Select the pencil icon to edit the suggested donation amount. This will allow your visitors to select a predetermined donation value or enter their own. You can also edit the button text, title of the donation form, and description. Select Add Form fields to allow donors to input additional information at checkout, like donating on behalf of someone's name, or add a text area to specify where they want the donation to go. Click Edit Donation Receipt to open the Customer Notifications panel, where you can customize the emails sent to the donors. Select the Design tab to set an alignment of the donation button. Head over to the Site Styles panel to further customize your button block, like the shape, outline, sizing, and more. Don't forget to save all the changes that you have made. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.